Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301628. And this is a 2017 Buick Enclave. And our color is burgundy. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, so power locks, windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Got our interior and exterior lighting control, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes heat, cruise control settings, hands-free and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Got our lane keep assist, forward collision alert, electronic and dual climate control. We've got heated and vented front seats, traction control, hatch release, and automatic transmission. We're also OnStar ready, garage door openers as well, and our interior color is called Chocochino. I believe that's a play on chocolate and chino, cappuccino. Anyways, rear passenger features, power windows. We've got two rear bucket seats, rear climate control, USB ports, and the seats do fold down for access to that third row 60/40 split bench seat. Moving on to our exterior, we've got the roof racks, running boards, 18-inch Buick rims. We've got the rear parking aid, the rear view camera, remote hatch, all of our cargo space. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301628. You've just checked out this burgundy 2017 Buick Enclave. Thanks for watching.